Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix crashes in Rainbow Six Siege. This is a very important problem because you can't basically play the game, and I'll found a way to fix the problem, so hopefully it's gonna work for you. I've tested myself and it worked just fine. So make sure you watch this until the very end and follow along with me so you don't miss any step that can potentially fix your problem. Obviously, I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't guarantee you, but that's why you have to try, because for some people it works, some people won't work. We have all different problems that can be fixed through tons of ways or multiple ways, I don't know. But so make sure you try to you watch this until the very end, and also please join my Discord server so we can help each other there. So now let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do first, I always recommend to people to install the official softwares. I didn't do this firsthand when I bought this laptop. Now I don't play these games on my laptop. I play on a computer, PC, especially for gaming, but not on this computer. But also, even if you don't play games on your laptop computer, make sure you install the latest updates. This will help with tons of different programs, softwares, apps, so you need to have the latest updates. So make sure you click on this download button here, and then you head over to GeForce Experience after you installed it, and then go to drivers here, and then here in drivers make sure you click on check for updates, and then check for updates, and then you should, if you have here there's available driver here, make sure you click on download. Then once you've done that, once you achieve this goal, what you have to do now is to click and download Microsoft Visual C++. I'll leave the links all in the description of this video. I forgot to mention this, so no worries, I'll leave all the links in the description of this video, and click on download now. After you installed Microsoft Visual C++, this is really important in order to run any game properly. And if you don't have this on your computer, make sure you download, and then let's move to the next method, and sort of is just have to install another program. So click on DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, click on download, and here this will help you, and actually select the language if you want to run this in a specific language. Click on download, guys. That's very important to run any game as well, DirectX. If you don't have this, make sure you install. And now for AMD user, download this will automatically install drivers, and this is what you need to do if you have an Intel CPU. So now we can also go in Windows updates and update your Windows. But if you already have done that and you are up to date, what you can do is to head over to driver updates, click on optional updates, and then click on driver updates, and then here make sure you check all the updates here, driver updates that are available, and click on download and install. All right, it's very important, and make sure you download and install the latest drivers. And if that didn't work and you still have a problem with this game, another thing that you can do is pretty simple, is go to driver manager, device manager, sorry, and here what you can do is to click on display adapters, and here make sure you click on do update driver, and then scan update. And if you have the latest driver and already the best driver, that's pretty much means that you have the best driver. But another thing that you can do is to run the game. So click on the game, click on properties, click on compatibility, and then here click on disable full screen optimization, and click on change high DPI settings for the game. Okay, so here check override high DPI scaling behavior, and now that's pretty much it. You can find the game. What you can do is to click on the game, click on properties, and here what you can do in properties is to locate a game right over here when you click on compatibility mode. And once you've done that, you can also click on here compatibility. And another thing is to verify integrity of game files. All right, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and leave your results in the comment section. I truly want to help you fix this problem, because I know that is a very it's an uncomfortable situation to just find a ways. Instead of playing the game, you have to waste a bunch of time to just fix the game. So I cannot relate with you. So make sure you also join my Discord server so we can talk there and help each other, share with each other tips and tricks and just methods to fix problems. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.